It's been a month since we've spoken to GTAV Head of Planning and Biodiversity of the Greater TableView Action Forum, David Ayres, regarding the contamination of the nature reserve and lagoon. We caught up with Mandy, a member of the Ratepayers Association, and David to get some insight on this matter.
The lagoon at the moment has got worse. The city shut down the lagoon in end of October, beginning of November, and it was only through the actions of community-based organisations that they opened it up again. There is a warning that the water is not fit for recreational use, and it's still not fit for recreational use. And we're going from bad to worse. If you see the algae, the blooming algae, which is around the edge of the flay, people have got to either walk through it, swim through it, get into the boats, but it is, I believe, a health hazard, and the council really needs to clean it up and stop the causes of the pollution, which is the rampant overdevelopment of the area with the lack of infrastructure. The city itself says that the biggest driver of the economy is nature, tourism. There are people who use the lagoon. They use it not just for recreation, but they use it for tourism. If we carry on treating our environment in the way the city is, then we will have no driver to the economy. People have booked flights, they've booked accommodation, they're coming from all around the world to use this lagoon and the sea. And if we stop that, then those people will cease to come, and that's a big driver to the local economy.
I have actually sent a letter to both the Mayor, Xanthia Lindberg, and a variety of the organisations and bodies that deal with water and sanitation. I've requested that they call an emergency meeting, allocate the necessary budget to not only treat this body of water, but to ensure that the Potsdam sewage works is put into a functional manner and is properly maintained. Now, it might take 100 million, but so what? They've had 11 years to get that money together. They are charging the ratepayers and the residents of the city a supply charge on everybody's rates and taxes bill. So, and we are aware that there could be an overpayment of R1 billion. Now, 100 million for an emergency put stop to this kind of epidemic situation that the city has itself created, but not applying the NEMA rules that the law dictates. So how can we sit idly by and just do nothing and issue a report after report year in, year out? The other factor that we've come across as civic body associations is that the city has restructured itself in terms of the IDP into silos. So one department doesn't speak to the other department.
There's been no change in the sewage that comes from those areas. All the city has done is issued a statement saying that they are going to put in educational measures, which clearly isn't good enough because it's not stopping the people. In addition to that, we've now found out that the Potsdam sewage plant isn't functioning correctly, hasn't functioned correctly for the last 12 months, yet time and time again the city is passing more and more developments saying that the infrastructure is adequate when it clearly is not adequate. If it was adequate, then we wouldn't have the situation that we have at the moment. And if we don't stop it, if it's not stopped, then the entire economy of the Western Cape is in danger.
Residents of TableView are still calling on the City of Cape Town to take heed and salvage the current state of the lagoon and nature reserve, as they had no response yet. For Our City News, Stephanie Pitt, TableView.